Vietnam, a Southeast Asian nation, is a land of captivating beauty. It boasts a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural wonders. From ancient temples to bustling cities, Vietnam offers a sensory feast for travelers. The country's diverse landscapes range from the soaring peaks of the Hoang Lien Son Mountains to the emerald waters of Ha Long Bay. Ancient traditions thrive alongside modern developments. The Vietnamese people are known for their resilience, warm hospitality, and vibrant culture. Traditional art forms like water puppetry and silk painting continue to enchant. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the tranquil Mekong Delta, Vietnam offers a captivating cultural experience. Vietnam has emerged as a dynamic and rapidly developing nation in recent decades. Its cities are vibrant hubs of commerce, culture, and innovation. Skyscrapers rise above ancient pagodas while bustling markets offer a glimpse into local life. Despite the rapid pace of modernization, Vietnam has retained its unique charm. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the serene beaches of Nha Trang, we will explore the heart and soul of this captivating country. Our journey will capture the essence of Vietnam's past, present, and future. We will begin in the north, where Hanoi, the capital city, stands as a testament to Vietnam's enduring spirit. We will then journey south, exploring the ancient cities of Hue and Hoi An, each with its own unique character. Let the journey begin. Our journey through Vietnam begins in Hanoi, the country's captivating capital. Hanoi is a city of contrasts, where ancient temples stand in the shadows of modern skyscrapers. The city's rich history is palpable in its atmospheric Old Quarter, a labyrinthine network of narrow streets lined with traditional shophouses. Our cameras will capture the vibrant energy of Hanoi's streets, from the bustling markets to the serene shores of Hoan Kiem Lake. The flavors of Hanoi will tantalize our taste buds as we sample the city's renowned street food, from steaming bowls of pho to delicate spring rolls. Leaving the bustling capital behind, we journey eastward to Hai Phong, Vietnam's third largest city and a major port on the Gulf of Tonkin. Hai Phong is a city on the rise with a burgeoning industrial sector and a vibrant cultural scene. We'll capture the city's energy as we explore its bustling waterfront, where ships from around the world dock alongside traditional fishing boats. Our cameras will soar above the city, showcasing its impressive skyline and the dramatic landscape of Cat Ba Island, a natural wonder located just off the coast. We'll explore the island's pristine beaches, hidden coves and lush forests, capturing the beauty of Vietnam's coastline. From Hai Phong, our journey takes us to Quang Ninh province, home to the awe-inspiring Ha Long Bay. From the coastal plains, our journey takes us north to the rugged highlands of northern Vietnam, a region of breathtaking beauty and rich cultural diversity. Our destination is Sapa, a town nestled amidst towering peaks and verdant rice terraces, home to a variety of ethnic minority groups. We'll journey through the highlands, capturing the dramatic landscapes of plunging valleys, cascading waterfalls, and terraced rice fields that seem to climb to the sky. We'll meet with local villagers, learning about their unique traditions and way of life. Our cameras will capture the vibrant colors of their traditional clothing, the intricate designs of their handicrafts, and the warmth of their hospitality. Central Vietnam welcomes us with a blend of bustling modernity and captivating history. Our journey begins in Da Nang, a coastal city renowned for its stunning beaches and iconic bridges. Da Nang pulsates with energy, a testament to Vietnam's economic growth. We'll capture the city's dynamism as we film its modern skyline, vibrant nightlife, and bustling markets. Venturing beyond the city, we'll discover the Marble Mountains, a cluster of 5 limestone and marble hills, each associated with one of the 5 elements. From Da Nang, we'll journey north to Hue, the former imperial capital of Vietnam. Hue is a city steeped in history. its grandeur evident in the magnificent imperial citadel, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We'll cruise along the Perfume River, its tranquil waters reflecting the city's rich past. Our journey south takes us to Hoi An, a town frozen in time. Hoi An's ancient town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a captivating blend of Chinese, Japanese and Vietnamese influences. We'll wander through its narrow streets lined with merchant houses, temples and tailor shops, their facades adorned with colourful lanterns. Our cameras will capture the town's timeless beauty, from the Japanese-covered bridge to the bustling market by the Thu Bon River. As dusk descends, we'll capture the magic of Hoi An as lanterns illuminate its streets, casting a warm glow on its ancient architecture. Leaving Hoi An's charm behind, we'll head south to Nha Trang, a coastal city renowned for its stunning beaches and vibrant marine life. Nha Trang is a paradise for water sports enthusiasts, and our cameras will capture the thrill of scuba diving, snorkeling and windsurfing in its crystal-clear waters. Venturing further south, we arrive in Quy Nhon, a coastal city known for its tranquil beaches and historical significance. Quy Nhon offers a more laid-back atmosphere compared to its bustling counterparts. We'll explore its long stretches of sandy beaches, lapped by turquoise waters, ideal for relaxation and soaking up the sun. Our cameras will capture the beauty of the Eo Strait, a scenic coastal road offering breathtaking views of the ocean and surrounding islands. Continuing our journey, we reach Tam Kỳ, a city nestled between the mountains and the sea. Tam Kỳ offers a blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. We'll explore the nearby My Son Sanctuary, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the Champa civilization. Our final destination in central Vietnam is Dong Hoi, a city serving as the gateway to the Phong Nha, Ki Bang National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Southern Vietnam welcomes us with open arms, and our first stop is Ho Chi Minh City, the nation's energetic heart. Formerly known as Saigon, this bustling metropolis is a whirlwind of activity, a testament to Vietnam's economic dynamism. Towering skyscrapers share the skyline with ornate temples, while the aroma of street food fills the air, a sensory feast for visitors. Our cameras will capture the city's vibrant energy, from the frenetic pace of its motorbike-filled streets to the tranquil beauty of the Jade Emperor Pagoda. We'll explore the city's historical landmarks, including the Reunification Palace and the Notre Dame Cathedral. The Cu Chi Tunnels, an enduring symbol of Vietnamese resilience during the war, will offer a glimpse into the country's history. Leaving the urban jungle behind, our journey takes us to the Mekong Delta, a watery world where life unfolds at a different pace. Here, the mighty Mekong River splinters into a network of canals and channels, creating a mesmerizing landscape of rice paddies, floating markets, and stilt houses. Our cameras will capture the rhythm of life on the water, from the bustling Kai Rang floating market to the tranquil canals of Ben Tre. We'll explore the Mekong Delta by boat, gliding along its waterways, witnessing the daily routines of the local people. From the watery world of the Mekong Delta, our journey takes us back to the coast, where the seaside town of Vung Tau awaits. Once a popular French colonial retreat, Vung Tau offers a relaxing escape from the hustle and bustle of Ho Chi Minh City. We'll stroll along its sandy beaches, lapped by the warm waters of the South China Sea, and take in panoramic views of the coastline from the iconic Jesus Christ statue atop Mount No. Our journey then takes us inland to Dalat, a charming mountain resort town nestled amidst rolling hills and pine forests. Known as the City of Eternal Spring for its cool climate and colourful flower gardens, Dalat offers a refreshing escape from the tropical heat. Our cameras will capture the town's European charm, evident in its French colonial villas and manicured gardens. Our journey now veers off the beaten path, taking us deep into the heart of Vietnam's Central Highlands, a region where rugged mountains meet verdant valleys, and where ethnic diversity paints a vibrant tapestry of culture and tradition. Our first destination is Kon Tum, a province where coffee plantations blanket rolling hills, their dark green leaves shimmering under the tropical sun. Here the air is thick with the aroma of roasting coffee beans, a sensory experience that speaks to the region's agricultural heritage. We'll meet with local farmers, learning about the art of coffee cultivation from bean to cup. But Kon Tum is more than just coffee country, it's a melting pot of ethnicities, each with its own unique customs and traditions. We'll venture into remote villages where wooden longhouses stand as testaments to ancestral ways of life. We'll meet with the Bana, Sedang and Jarai people, witnessing their vibrant clothing, intricate handicrafts and traditional dances. From Kon Tum, our journey takes us to Gia, a neighbouring province where rolling hills give way to towering mountains, their peaks often shrouded in mist. Our journey through the Central Highlands culminates in Lam Dong province, a region of breathtaking beauty and tranquility. The air is cooler, a welcome respite from the tropical heat, and the landscape is dominated by rolling hills carpeted in tea plantations. Our cameras capture the serenity of these plantations, a testament to the region's agricultural prowess. We'll visit local tea factories, witnessing the process of transforming freshly picked leaves into aromatic beverages. Lam Dong is also home to Dalat, the city of eternal spring, known for its cool climate and stunning beauty. Nestled amidst pine forests, Dalat exudes a charm reminiscent of a European alpine town. Our cameras will capture the city's unique architecture, from French colonial villas to colourful Buddhist temples. We'll stroll along Xuan Huang Lake and visit the iconic Crazy House, a whimsical architectural marvel. Our journey through the Central Highlands will leave us breathless from the stunning landscapes and vibrant cultures. Capture the bustling energy of Hanoi's old quarter, with its narrow streets and vibrant shops. Film the sun rising over Hoan Kiem Lake, the ancient turtle tower silhouetted against the sky. Contrast this with the tranquility of Cat Ba Island, its lush forests and hidden coves. Ha Long Bay takes centre stage, a symphony in emerald and stone. The terraced rice fields of Sapa are a sight to behold, a testament to human ingenuity. Da Nang, capture the modernity of Da Nang. Its gleaming skyscrapers, its vibrant nightlife, its bustling beaches. Film the Dragon Bridge at night, its fiery breath illuminating the city, a symbol of Vietnam's progress. Explore the marble mountains, their caves and temples hidden amidst the limestone cliffs. Hue, step back in time in Hue, the former imperial capital. Film the grandeur of the imperial citadel, its walls and gates, its palaces and temples, a testament to the power of the Nguyen dynasty. Capture the serenity of the Perfume River, the boats gliding along its waters, the reflections of the city's past. Hoi An Hoi An is a photographer's dream, a town frozen in time, its streets lined with ancient merchant houses, its canals spanned by graceful bridges. Film the town at dusk, the lanterns casting a warm glow on the old architecture, the air filled with the scent of incense and spices. Nha Trang Nha Trang is all about the coast, its beaches, its islands, its turquoise waters. Capture the energy of the beachgoers, the sunbathers, the swimmers, the surfers. Film the underwater world, the coral reefs, the colourful fish, the marine life that thrives in these waters. Our 4K HDR journey through Vietnam's vibrant cities has been a feast for the senses, a captivating blend of history, culture and natural beauty. From the ancient temples of Hanoi to the bustling streets of Ho Chi Minh City, from the serene waters of Ha Long Bay to the emerald rice terraces of Sapa, Vietnam has revealed itself to be a land of contrasts and harmonies. We've witnessed the dynamism of its modern cities, the tranquility of its rural landscapes, and the warmth of its people, their smiles as bright as the tropical sun. Our cameras have captured the essence of Vietnam, the vibrant colours, the intricate details, the textures that tell the story of this captivating country. We've seen the past reflected in its ancient ruins, the present pulsating in its bustling cities, and the future shimmering on the horizon. Vietnam is a country on the move, its people embracing progress while holding fast to their traditions. This 4K HDR experience has been more than just a journey through space, it's been a journey through time, a testament to the enduring spirit of Vietnam. We hope these images and sounds will stay with you long after the credits roll, inspiring you to explore this remarkable country for yourself, to experience its magic firsthand.